It's necessary to create a buy button when building your own Shopify store. In this video, I'm going to lead you through the steps of creating a buy button in Shopify and pasting it to your store. The process is extremely easy. It's just a matter of filling in the correct information in the correct place. So let's begin. First of all, I'd like to tell you that once you create a buy button in Shopify, it enables you to use that buy button on any of your other websites. It isn't limited to only your Shopify platform because it's compatible with WordPress, Squarespace, Tumblr, and many other online stores. The best part is the buy button is connected to the Shopify checkout, so you can keep track of sales from all your platforms on your Shopify dashboard. All you need to do is create the buy button, copy the code, and paste it in any of your websites. Step 1 is to add a buy button sales channel to your Shopify admin. If you can't find the buy button in the sales channel section of your Shopify admin, you will need to add this before you can create a new buy button or an embedded shopping cart. To add a sales channel to your Shopify admin, navigate to the Settings tab, and then click on the Sales Channels. You will be directed to the Sales Channels page. And when you're on this page, select the buy button within the list of available channels, and then click on Add Channel. This screenshot is what you will see when you are on the Sales Channels page. Click on the Add Channel button and proceed to the next step. After you've added the sales channel to your Shopify admin, you can now create the buy button. To do so, first go to your Shopify admin page and open the buy button sales channel. And when you are on the buy button sales channel page, go to the top right and click on Create a Buy Button. After that, you will be directed to the product page. Select the product that you wish to create the buy button for, and then move on to the next step. On the Create a Buy Button page, you can actually customize the buy button according to your needs. You can edit the button's color, text, and appearance. For instance, if you feel that an orange color buy button would convert better than other colors, you can change it here. Once you're done with editing the buy button and have selected the product, double-check the price and design. Then, click on the Generate Embed Code button at the bottom of the page. Shopify will then generate a code for you. Sometimes it may take a little bit, so just be patient. After the code is created, the Embed Code box will then pop up. In the Embed Code dialog, you can copy the embed code manually or click on the Copy Embed Code to Clipboard button at the bottom. Next, open the source HTML of the web page where you want to display the buy button and paste it where you want the button to appear. Then, save your changes and update the page. If you're not the one that handles the design of your web page, you can send the code to your designer to paste it for you. Now, when people click on the buy button, they will be redirected to the Shopify checkout page to complete their order. When you use the Shopify buy button, you also get to use the buy button features as well. Regardless of which platform you're using the buy button for, you can keep track of all your orders and sales through your Shopify admin. In addition, the Shopify buy button can match any theme. It's completely customizable, so matching it is no problem at all. And that's all there is to it.